Hello intellects, this is Insights for you today. We all know that Plagiarism Checker X is the best Turnitin alternative to check your papers for plagiarism. So, I will show you how to get and use this awesome, accurate plagiarism checker and give you an offer you can't afford to miss by the end of this video. Note that this video is neither a sponsored video nor a video to get YouTube views. I am very passionate about helping you achieve your academic goals. First, how can we get Plagiarism Checker X? Just use this link on your screen and in the description box below and follow the 3 steps in the site to download Plagiarism Checker software for free. Meanwhile, Plagiarism Checker X, just like Turnitin, can only be used on laptop or desktop. So when you download the app successfully, this is what it should look like. The dashboard shows you all recently scanned documents and the average plagiarism percentage of your scanned documents. The Online Plagiarism tab is where you conduct your plagiarism test. We'll get back to that later. Side-by-side difference tab helps teachers, students, and publishers find their content over the web. This helps in checking if they have certain plagiarism respective to each other. Similarly, the bulk comparison allows you to detect plagiarism in your documents against each other. Then, the setting is crucial. By default, the word match length is 5 words. Make sure you set it to 3 words, as that is how Turnitin checks for plagiarism. So let's get back to the online plagiarism test. Upload your document here and paste it here. Select the file you want to check for plagiarism from your folder. Click on Check Plagiarism. Wait a few minutes for your test to be finalized. When your results are ready, you can either view report here or download your report right here. You can see plagiarized parts and the similarity rates in your report, just like Turnitin. To remove plagiarism easy, see some of my videos in the description box. Remember that the best way to remove plagiarism is by paraphrasing. So use a paraphrasing tool like Quillbot. So here is the offer. Plagiarism Checker X scans only 30 words for free, but can scan your full document irrespective of the number of words or pages, and that costs $39. If you want me to help you to check your papers for plagiarism for free with Plagiarism Checker X, just hit the like button and the subscribe button. Take a screenshot of it and send me an email to insightsforyoutoday@gmail.com, and I will run a test for you and send the results to you for free and immediately. Alright intellects, thanks for watching. Please share this video and see you in my next video. Be safe always. Bye.